Because there's big breaking news that is coming in at the moment. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide at his residence by hanging himself in Bandra. Grim news coming in, and very surprising one coming in while at it. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput passes away. He has committed suicide is what we're picking up. All of this is being done by hanging himself in Bandra. We'll also get you complete details in terms of when this happened, and also get you some suicide prevention helpline numbers that we will flash across the screens as well. The reason for now is not known as to why he committed suicide. Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us for the latest in this. Mustafa, it's absolutely shocking. I mean, how and why did this even happen? This is a news that has come as an absolute bolt from the blue. Can you walk our viewers through the story?
Well, yes, it's a very shocking news for the entire industry and the fans of Sushant Singh Rajput. Fortunately, we don't have much details as of now, and we are the same, like you taken effect by this news, and that it happened somewhere at his residence in Carter's Road in Bandra, where he stayed, and he had committed suicide. This is news. These are the details which are emerging at this point of time, and it is utter shock. The police is on the spot. They are trying to investigate the cause of what was the reason for this unfortunate step which we have taken. But yes, as we said earlier, it's a shocking news. We know that he has committed suicide at his Bandra residence, and details are yet to emerge as to how and when it happened.
His Mumbai house, who lived with him, who is he survived by? We must highlight the kind of loss as well that the family members and the near and dear ones to Sushant would be feeling at this point of time.
So, there is no doubt about it, that it includes loss in his family, but I expect that because it's news has come out, it has talked to everyone across, and it will take some time for them to understand as to what the circumstances in which he has taken this drastic step. And that is what the Mumbai police is also on it, and they have to investigate the cause of person. It takes more time even than the television actor. Police also have to look into all possible angles to identify the state of mind before he took this step. And that's what they are working on. The inquiries are going on at the center. That's why the society goes to the we are awaiting for the feedback.
Unimaginable amount of loss that his near and dear ones would be feeling on the back of this news that is just trickling in. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide. This has taken place in Mumbai in his Bandra apartment. He was found hanging. Mustafa, do we have any more details about whether there was any kind of foul play involved, or has the police declared this is suicide for a fact? That's the latest that is coming in right now. The loss that his family would be facing at the moment would be unprecedented, to say the least. Let's try and get you some reactions that are coming in from the friends and family members of Sushant Singh Rajput as well. But this is shocking news coming in for the entire film fraternity as well. Sushant Singh Rajput commits suicide. Absolutely unexpected news that is breaking at this point of time. Bollywood icon, Bollywood actor found hanging in his Bandra home in Mumbai. This is the latest that is coming in at the moment. Sushant Singh Rajput, I beg your pardon, committing suicide right there. The latest coming in, flashing across your screens. Let's get you also some reactions from a few people in the Bollywood fraternity as to what they would be feeling at this point of time. The kind of loss that they might be going through would be absolutely unimaginable. At the same time, may I please request the producers to flash some numbers of suicide prevention helplines as well. It is shocking news that is coming in. He's an actor. He's got so many films to his credit. One of the most successful actors. He's a young, successful actor. So many movies that he has done. He's won a nomination for Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut as well. Was in that film, Detective Byomkesh Bakshi. He's acted in many films to his credit. Rajdeep Sardesai, consulting editor, joins us on the phone lines. sir, do we have any kind of information as to what he was going through before he committed suicide? Was there any registered case of clinical depression that led him and pushed him over the edge? At the same time, you know, if you know him well, who is he survived by? His friends and family?